Just look at this mess. Oh, you brought some more mess. Isn't that nice? Hi everyone. Today we having a normal, no fun day, but my sister is coming over, so I bet we will do something. Let's see if we can find them. Oh, I think they're over there. Yes, there they are. Oh my god. It is nice weather, but it is a little bit windy. So my eyes are like tearing up. Oh gosh. Hi! Hi! Hi, honey! What is it, Luna? It's just me. It's just me. Hi. What is it? What? What? It's just me. Hi. 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 Hi, baby. What do you want, Luna? You crazy? Where are we going? Where are we going? Don't fall! Dee, be careful! Come over here. My sister is here.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, so we're going to maybe have a mukbang a little later. So I have to prepare a little bit food first. Now I will tell you guys what I made, but I won't show the process of making the food. Yeah, there's no room to like make any cooking videos, but we will cook and we will eat in front of the camera and talk a little bit. So it'll be fun. It'll be fun.
I think you like the mukbang. I think the mukbangs have become really popular.
Yeah, I think so too.
Lately, so
yeah, like I watch a lot of Mommy Tang mukbangs.
Me too. I love her.
I love her too. She's a vegan, but we eat a lot of vegetarian food. So I also make vegan food when I have the chance, because
we like a lot
why not?
of Asian food.
Yeah, and I love Asian food, especially Japanese food.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm going to make cabbage rolls. Or it's not cabbage, it's more like salad rolls.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know the name, but it's very good. You'll see.
So guys, this is our food today. Well, this is the salad. This is chicken, soy chicken. So it's vegetarian with spinach in it. This is ginger, spring onion and carrot salad with 2 different kinds of sauce, soy and sweet chili, rice, sticky rice of course, and beans with some sesame and garlic. So this is the food. Eating time. Oh my god. It's a tight squeeze. So I hope you guys can hear us because we're quite far away from the camera. I'm just gonna get a little food for my baby.
First.
As I said previously, yeah, I watch a lot of Mommy Tang, so that gave me like the idea of doing this mukbang, and I have tried as much as possible to make the food the way she usually eats, like the same kind of foods. So my baby is sick. He has a little bit fever, and yeah, he's been
A little difficult.
He's been a little sleepy and whiny today, but I can understand it. Poor baby, he's so sick. So that's why you hear crying in the background.
That's how it is when you have children, you know.
Yeah,
It's a 24-hour job.
but it's worth it.
Of course.
It's wonderful. Okay, baby. You don't need to eat anything you don't want. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. But I bet you have seen this before. You plate like this. And then we just roll it up, dip it in the sauce, and eat it.
Damn it.
Yummy.
Okay. Like this. Remember, guys, this is our first mukbang.
Yeah. So sorry if it's not that interesting.
We know it's not perfect, but we try. So
It's a little
I don't
hot.
know how to like.
Oh, you just
I'm
have
gonna
to
eat
hold
it like this.
Yeah, you just have to hold it. Don't you want to dip it? Dank it and then sank it. Yeah, that was good mythical morning for ya. I watch a lot of YouTube. I almost don't watch TV shows anymore. YouTube's my life. Which sauce do you want?
None.
You need
Wait. Which one is the best one?
Can you take
What
one
is-
out or
I like
no?
the
Wait. What is this and what is that?
It's the same inside of it, but the sauce is different. And now you try this sauce with a bite from Nego. Because I want to eat this. It's quite good. I put a little bit too much sauce on it, so it's very salty, but
I didn't even take the vegetables.
This was unique, son.
Good. I liked it.
they can't even see you.
Okay, now I'm
It was unique, son.
Got close.
ja, bare alltid sånn idiotisk.
What are you doing, baby? Did you try this one? No? Okay. I'm double dipping. We're family, it's okay. It's so good. Did you eat, Mom? Here. It was so good. I'm just gonna make one for Mr. Mo because the sick baby won't let him eat. sorry if this is boring. I never could talk that much when I was eating. Mommy Tang does it really good. She talks while she's eating, but just doesn't work that well for me. And I feel like this is not just good and fun food, but also healthy food because it's a lot of vegetables and yeah, fresh ingredients. So yeah, that was it for our mukbang. And I hope you liked it. Guess who suddenly came? Moses' sister and her girlfriend. And they brought some mess into the house. So now these like getting soap everywhere. They're like soap everywhere. Look at this mess. Just look at this mess. Oh, you brought some more mess. Isn't that nice? The mess makers. Yeah, so. You always bring the nicest gifts. I think Dee just forgot he was sick. Aren't you sick anymore, baby? Oh my god. This is so messy. I hate you guys.
I love you too.
No, but seriously, I hate you.